upon arrival and before starting the job. Our customers expect us, so there's no need to knock on any doors or ring bells. Click Start on the Foot Soldiers app. Scroll down to the bottom of the app. Click Attachments and upload at least 3 property photos, including all the areas you will clear. Important note: our images prove that we cleared the snow from all the areas expected. The photos help avoid unnecessary payment disputes based on work performance. The before and after property pictures must include all stairways, the entire sidewalk, front yard, and a profile shot, including all the areas mentioned earlier. Correctly uploaded job images will be visible on the bottom of the Foot Soldiers application.